What's up, guys? So today's video is on the Vivosun 6-inch 390 CFM inline fan with the speed controller. This thing works amazing. Amazing. If you've got vegetables or fruits or something that you're growing and it's making a lot of smell, it's just all over the house, this is the way to go. As soon as I connected it, within maybe 30 seconds to a minute, all of the smell was gone. And the craziest part is you can literally open this and you will not smell anything in here while it's open. I open this door, leave it open all night. You cannot smell anything in this house. It's about 3,000 square feet. You cannot smell a single thing. So the way that it works is you can have the air. I believe you can set it up certain ways, but right now it's drawing air from down here. I don't have the duct all the way in, but even right here, just a little bit, it's pulling out the air, it's bringing it into this carbon filter, and you can barely feel a little bit of air coming out. Very little. There's a towel or a little thing that it comes with that you put in there, but you literally cannot really feel anything unless you really put your hand on it. Even here you can't even feel anything, but it gets the job done. It's amazing. It's wow, mind blown. I'm telling you, it does what it's supposed to do. I paid $90 for it. Right now it's $159 on Amazon. I'll drop the link in the description. But this is the controller back here. You can now I've got it to the highest setting. You click it, it's on off. All right, click it back on, highest setting. It's a little wheel, just bring it all the way down to the right, and it's on the lowest setting. I've never turned it up higher than the lowest setting, and like I said, it works perfect. I bought it on Amazon and mine came with the filter, humidity gauge, and the ducting, the 8 feet of ducting, and this is what it looks like on Amazon. Like I said, I'll drop a link in the description. Hopefully they got a deal on it soon, but if you're questioning this thing, don't even question it. If I would 1,000 million buy this. I would even consider trying the 4-inch. I wouldn't doubt that the 4-inch would work just as well, but this thing is amazing. Do not recommend it for a 2x2 tent because it will not fit. You're definitely gonna want something bigger. This is a 2x2, and even if you hung it in there, I do not think it would work unless there's a different configuration. I'm pretty sure maybe a 4-inch, but I'm not sure about this 6. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, leave some comments if you have any in the comment section, and yeah, hope this video helps.